There are 18 animals at the pet store. Some are birds and some are dogs. There are 50 legs in all. How many birds are there and how many dogs? So first I wrote down that that dogs have 4 legs and birds have 2 legs. So first I have that written down, and then I decide to break up the 18. So there's birds and dogs, so there's at least 1 bird and 17 dogs, which would be 18. Birds have 2 legs. Dogs have 4 legs. 2 times 1 is 2. 17 times 4. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 and 6. 68 plus 2 is 70, which is too much. So then if we did 1 plus 17, and this time we say there's only 1 dog and 17 birds. 4 times 1 is 4. 17 times 2. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 1 is 2. 3. 34 plus 4 is 38. This is too little. So let me think of a little bit kind of almost halfway here. So let's say 10 dogs. 4 times 10 is 40, plus 8 birds is 16. This together is 56, which is too much. So we have to go less than 10 dogs. So let's try 5 dogs. 5 dogs, 5 times 4 is 20, plus 13 birds. 13 times 2, 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. 13, yes, 2. Okay, and that equals 46, which is too little. So now I know that my number has to be somewhere between 10 and 5 for my dogs and 8 and 13 for my birds. So let's try 7 times 4. 7 dogs, this is 28, plus 11 times 2 legs equals 22. 22 plus 28 equals 50. So this one is perfect. Perfect. So my answer is there are 28 dogs and 22 birds. Can't write like this, sorry for my writing. At the pet store. That is the process that I went through. And then I did check my work, so I did go 1 above this and 1 below this, so we would go 6 times 4 plus 12 times 2. 6 times 4 is 24. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 plus 24 is 48, which is too little. And then 8 times 4, 16 plus 16 is 32. Plus 10 times 2, which is 20. 32 plus 20 equals 52, which is too much. So I know that 1 below is too little and 1 above is too much. So this is the answer. There are 20. No, I'm sorry, not 28 dogs. There are 7 dogs and 11 birds. That is my answer. There are 28 dog legs. There are 7 dogs and 11 birds at the pet store. That makes 18 animals and 50 legs.